Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you two quick experiments you can do at home using balloons. Now for the first one, you'll need an empty can, and please make sure it's empty, otherwise you might get all liquid on your table or wherever you're doing your experiment. Now you need a balloon that's already blown up, so you might need to ask Mum or Dad to blow it up for you. And then we're going to make something called static electricity. And the way we make static electricity is we rub it against something. So it might be on the carpet, or some people make static electricity by rubbing it against their hair, and then their hair attracts the balloon. So I'm going to rub it against my pants, or you might choose to use a jumper. That works really well too. And then I'm going to see what happens to the can. Can you see what's happening? What's the can doing? The static electricity I made by rubbing the balloon is making the can move towards the balloon. How interesting is that? It's like magic, isn't it? Okay. So I'll put the can away for a minute. Okay, so I've got another balloon for our next experiment. Now when you look at a balloon, what do you notice? Can you see the ends are always darker? Do you know why that is? Well, there's actually more rubber on the ends, so that's going to be where the balloon is strongest. For this experiment, you need, of course, a balloon, a skewer, and some oil. So if I were to puncture the side of the balloon, what do you think would happen? You're right, it would pop. But I wonder what would happen if I tried to put this skewer through the ends of the balloon. Let's see. I'll dip the skewer in the oil, and then I'll give it a bit of a push. Let's see what happens. Can you see that? Didn't pop, did it? And it's gone all the way through. But can you see what happens? It is actually deflating. Like you haven't tied up on the end. So see if you can try that at home and get Mum and Dad to help you. See you tomorrow.